All right, good morning, boys and girls. We are on day 5 of April daily math. And I brought a couple things to help me out here a little bit today, just as a better picture, maybe a little bigger so you can see it. This is a clock that matches number 1 here on day 5. So it says, what time is on this clock? So what we're going to do then is we're going to look at our hours, which it's between the red, so it's between 9 and 10. Shorthand's the hour hand, right? So it's 9 something. And then we're going to count around for the blue for our minutes. So number 1, we're going to put 9 something. We don't know what that something is yet. We're going to count our minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. So it is 9:32. Okay. Number 2 is asking us 9 equals something divided by 3. So we know that we have the 2 bottom pieces of our fact triangle here. So we can kind of go like that. And then what number goes on top? If we have a multiplication and division in the middle, one bottom is a 9, the other is a 3. Well, we got to go 9 times 3 or 3 times 9. So our top number there is 27. 9 times 3 is 27. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. You could probably even sing the song if you want to, whichever version of the song you like. Number 3. Jack measured a milkweed leaf. How long? And this is in inches. So I'm going to zoom in just so we can see it a little easier. I see a 2 inches, so it's not quite 3 yet. So it's 2 something. Now let's count the number of pieces between the 2 and the 3, right? So I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and it's on the 1 piece of the 4 pieces, of the 4 equal pieces. So if it's the first one of 4 equal pieces, that would mean that it is 1 out of those 4 equal pieces. So it's 2 inches, 2 and 1/4 inches. Okay? All right, number 4. Abby started playing soccer at 3 o'clock. Each half of the game was 20 minutes. There was also a 10-minute break at halftime. What time did Abby's game end? So we know it started, okay? And I brought another friend in. Not this one this time, but got a different one. I'm bringing in this one. Okay? It's a little bit bigger, but it's going to help us do the elapsed time here. All right. So I got my 3 o'clock start time, okay, and each half of the game was 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, I'm going to go 5, 10, 15. Okay, there's the first half. It's going to be 3:20. Okay, so there's 10, 20. It's a half of a game. That means there's 2 halves. So we go another 20 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so now we have 3:40. All right. And then it also says that we have a 10-minute break at halftime. So we have another 10-minute break at halftime. So I'm going to flip this run from the 4. Now we're going to the 5 for the last 10 minutes. 5, 10. So our time is 3:50. Okay, it's also like that, 3:50. Pretty handy tool. I like that one. Glad I found that. Can't wait to share that some more with you guys. Okay, number 5 says count by 8s. So we have 8, 16. What's next? 8 times 3, 24. Okay, and then it's going to skip down the line here, right? After 24 plus 8 is 32. Plus 8 more is 40, right? That's like 5 times 8 is 40, okay? 40 and 8 is 48. That's also 6 times 8. I'm going to jump down a line now. 7 times 8, 56. And 8 more again would be, 64. 8 more, 72. And 8 more is 80. So we have all the way up to 8 times 10. All right, nice job, boys and girls. I'm just going to move this to the side just a little bit. I want to read this bit to you here. The caterpillar munches and munches on the leaves there. Milkweeds are the only plants where monarchs lay their eggs. Awesome. All right, see you tomorrow.